Get ready for your camping trip with this advice. Have you been thinking about going on a camping adventure for a while now? Do you think that camping is something that seems out of the realm of possibility for you? Well, it doesn't have to be. You can figure out how to enjoy an exciting camping adventure with the following tips. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Reserve your spot at a campground as soon as possible. Particularly in the summer, many people are interested in camping with their families. If you make your reservation in the winter, you are much more likely to get the best rate possible. Those savings can translate into additional family fun while on your vacation. When it comes to food, bring only what you need on a camping trip. Extra food out in the wilderness is a calling card for wild animals to come visiting your campground. If you do find that you have additional food, tie it up in cloth and hang it as high as you can in a tree away from your immediate campground. This will help keep you from unwanted animal introductions. Keep an eye on the weather. Rain or other conditions may impact your travel time and your experience at the campsite. Make sure that you have gear that is appropriate for the weather conditions that you may face. Adjust your departure time as necessary to try and avoid the bulk of the bad weather, if possible. Now that you know what it takes to have a good camping trip, get ready for many exciting adventures to come. Use everything that you learned today about camping to enjoy yourself with a good time away from your normal routine of life, and to get an experience you'll never forget. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.